Hello everyone! Today we're making mini burgers. First we need lettuce, chicken nuggets, some sauce, mayonnaise, onions, and buns. You cut the buns from the side and place mayonnaise on the bottom half. Next you place the onions and put the lettuce on top of the onions. Don't forget the chicken nuggets. The bottom half's complete, and let's go to the top half and put some sauce and mayonnaise. And cover it well on the bottom half. Let's see the results. Okay, so this is how it looked like. You have your very own mini burger. Hope my sister likes these. Comment down if you like it or not. And make sure to subscribe.